basically I brought myself one of these cheap eBay thermometers. I'll try and use, which one is this? So basically it comes with two thermocouples. There you go. So two wires, so two temperatures, just goes in here, and the end is just exposed wire which measures the temperature. This is just a basic thermometer. Basically, if I plug it in, so if I'm holding it, of course it will measure my temperature. So if I hold one, 35.8, 36, so that's me, my body temperature. So what I did with, I'm just using, because I don't have a Scace thermocouple, it's too expensive. I think if you can afford it, buy one. If not, you're just gonna have to do a DIY. Basically, the Scace measures the pressure at the group head and temperature as well, and it basically pressurizes the water and gives you a better reading. So this one, what I did was I'm using a single basket, single shot basket. What I did was get some polystyrene foam. So what I did was cut out two pieces. It's not even, well, it's not very even, as you see there's a gap there, but what I'm planning to do is put each of the measuring in here, somehow secure it in there like this, okay, and then put this piece on top and secure it, so then it sort of pressurizes the water, and then I'll measure the temperature for the first basically 17 milliliters of water, which is very consistent to around 36 to 40 grams of espresso. So basically something like that. So I've got two probes sticking out the top, and then hopefully, because of the polystyrene, it will sort of pressurize the portafilter a little bit. Of course water will go through this part here and through here, through down here, so but it's as close. I just want a reading basically straight out for the first 20 seconds, see how much the temperature drops. Okay, so I'll purge this first as normal. Okay, that's purged. Then let's put this in. Just about goes in. Okay, so button A is set to 66 mil. So let's see what it gives us. Very good. So let's try that again.